Hey guys, welcome back to another video. What's up guys? Thank you guys for tuning in again to another video. Today we are doing the coilover install, and we got a busy day today. We got to take a bunch of pictures. Our schedule was tight today, so let's freaking get this cold start on the G35. Let's put the coilovers in, and I'll catch you guys at my friend's place so that we can put the coilovers on. So 3, 2, 1, walk. Hey guys, and today I want to send the biggest shout out to TruHart coilovers. They were able to sponsor this video and hook me up with these pair of coilovers. We're gonna leave the box here today. TruHart coilovers. We're gonna leave this box here today because it couldn't quite fit on the G, but we put each individual coilover in the trunk. I still need to buy things to hold these cables up, but let's go install these coilovers. And once again, thank you to TruHart coilovers. And I will post a review video on these coilovers shortly soon after I install them, so stay tuned for that. But for right now, let's go install them and see how this works out. We're going to see if we can take out the car without scraping, because I did put it on top of my driveway and it does curve. So this is what ripped my lip last time. You guys can see right here, it's ripped. This is held on by different screws now. So when I backed out of my driveway the other day, it ripped. We almost forgot the tool for the coilovers. We can't forget the tools to adjust the height. That would be a huge mistake. Oh, here are the tools. I found the tools.
Entire bushing should be in the center on this plastic thing.
Oh shit, damn, this is off.
Hell off.
So what do you think?
Well, we can do the job, but I'd really recommend getting that safe up. Because if you're gonna hit a hard bump, turn sideways, it's gonna push your wheel in. This controls it from going in and out like that, and it can break this back part, and then your wheel can drop to the ground. Well, it'll drop higher.
That's not big.
2, 3. Oh.
This is gonna be my intro.
I can't hold up. Let me get it down first before you do it.
All right, guys. This is Ross. Welcome to the channel. This is gonna be hopefully, this is gonna be my hopefully sponsored mechanic, man. He's doing all the work. Obviously, we're gonna pay him for all the work, but here's the diagnostic. So we were about to switch the coilovers, but he was telling me that my control arms are busted. As you can see, you said this was supposed to be in the middle.
Yep, supposed to be centered. So
the controller's supposed to be centered between that gap right there, and it's all the way over here. So AutoZone obviously overpriced the control arms, so we're not going to be getting them from there. We're going to be getting some new control arms soon. Once again, let me show you guys. Once again, huge shout out to TruHart for sponsoring this video. So you guys can see these are the back ones. Pretty nice, pretty nice. They're the TruHart Street Plus Coilovers, and these are true coilovers. So the spring's already on the strut, and I think it already comes preloaded. I was talking to the guy who I was working with from TruHart, and he told me that they're already preloaded, so I don't have to do anything about that. So nice, one strut off. The springs already come preloaded, and he said we don't want to mess with this, so we're gonna twist this for height adjustment, and we don't want to mess with this too much. But as you guys can see the difference, my car's gonna be damn near slam, right? Alright guys, so we just finished installing the front one. We're gonna do the same on the other side. These apparently came preloaded, but he was finding out that they were kind of loose, so we're tightening these a little bit so that tight, and then we're gonna lock this one up but yeah, we're gonna tighten this on. We dropped on this side about 1/2 inch. We dropped here 1/2 inch, and we're gonna drop most of the car on the back, but we'll get there once we do. And yeah, for right now everything's looking good, and yeah, continue in a bit. All right guys, here's the low. You see if it dropped. We dropped it about 1/2 inch. Imagine, is that how high it is? Holy shit. All right guys, we just created a monster truck. Fuck it, rally car. Alright guys, here's the low. You see if it dropped. We dropped it about 1/2 inch. Imagine, is that how high it is? Holy shit. Alright guys, we just created a monster truck. That's perfect actually. That's sick. That's like almost how it was before, even a little lower maybe. That's perfect, man. You had me scared for a second when you said we might have to lower it a little bit more. But that's perfect. I mean, there's always room for it to go lower, but I think that'll do just right for right now. I want to say
It's about the same.
yeah, that's what I was gonna say, which is not bad.
That's drivable?
That's drivable.
We'll adjust it later.
Yes, we'll come back tonight. Can you come tonight?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we just got semi done. The front did lower a little bit, which is fine because we only wanted to lower just a little bit, and the wheel's a little tucked. Not a tug. What do you think? Is it tugged?
I say it's flush.
Flush. Okay.
Flush.
Flush, but it's just a tad bit lower than what it was. This one is like in the slightest way lower, but it's perfect the way. This is a one-time thing. We still have to readjust the height, but I have a championship game right now and I'm kind of in a rush, so we will come back here later at night to adjust the back and make this a one-finger gap so we can go lower in the back. So we will come back in a bit. Let me just go play the championship. Hopefully we get the trophy and everything turns out fine, and then we'll come back and readjust everything. Huge shout out, man. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. And yeah, we'll come back and finish the job. But all right guys, I came back with the man himself, Ross. We're gonna the coilovers did adjust after I drove it in the freeway, and it did drop, I would say, about another 1/2 inch when I was driving, because we used to fit 2 fingers in. Now we only fit like a finger and like a very small gap, right?
Found that one out.
Yeah.
Right.
And so we're gonna drop it more because fuck it, we gotta be low and fuck them haters. So we're gonna take this thing off, lower it, I'd say 1/2 inch or 0.75.
You want to do like?
I want to do 0.75.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it. Fuck this shit, low life, and fuck the world. So and we got the boy Julian over here, came and plugged with his G35.
Sir,
What you doing today? What you doing today?
installing these test pipes right here.
Yep, let's show the crew. Some new test pipes for the G.
Make this thing loud.
Hell yeah, that's gonna be loud as fuck. Hello guys, welcome back. It's the next day, and I left my camera at home because I actually have to work right now, but I wanted to finish off the video, and I know it got dark on us yesterday, so let me show you guys the car and see how low it is. So you guys turn around, 3, 2, 1, bam. So this is how low the final result. So if you guys saw the previous video, we didn't fit no fingers here, and we still don't, and I believe it's a tad bit lower in the front, so that's good. But we still clear speed bumps, which is absolutely freaking wonderful, man. I was having nightmares of not being able to clear, just speed bumps, things like that. My life was gonna be all miserable, so we still clear it, which is perfect. And if we go to the back, remember guys, we used to fit 2 fingers. I know this, you guys can interpret it the way you guys want to, but we used to fit 2 fingers in, right? And now check this out, guys. We put in 2 fingers, bah! We put in 1 finger, bah! So we're like, we're just there, dude. Like, I don't think I rub. It's settled too. You guys can see the coilovers in the back right there. Let me see. Wham. But yeah, guys, I still needed to roll my fenders. If I could roll my fenders, I would have much more clearance. It has to be done. We might roll our fenders soon, but for right now, it's doing the job, and I think we're just there, guys. We're just there. Your fenders are not rolled. I got 2 75s in the back, and obviously we got some nice fitment there. Finally, right? I know you guys kept telling me, like, bro, you gotta lower the back, man. Every time I posted a picture on Instagram, and I'm like, bro, I know, I get you. Let me get there. We finally did get there, and man, the car just looks so much more amazing. Like, it's just more stands out. It's beautiful, and god damn, this trunk just makes it look 10 times better, guys. We need to get some freaking sun pictures of this car out in the sun, and so you guys can see how beautiful it looks. And again, once again, shout out to my boy Ross, man. He really hooked it up. Basically installed it all by himself, man. We'll be doing a review on the coilovers. I want to do them now, just so I don't do it 5,000 miles later like I did on the Teen Springs. By the way, I am selling my OEM coilovers, so if you guys are interested, I am selling them. But yeah, you guys can message me on Instagram or things like that. Video is over. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate if you guys can go down in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think. If it's the fitment is nice, whatever. Some suggestions, things like that. But besides that, catch you guys next video. Show some love. Give this video a like. Catch you guys next vlog. Peace.